square root of s plus s is equal to s multiplied by square root of x. What is the value of s? Solution. We have square root of s plus s is equal to s multiplied by square root of x. Let square root of s is equal to y. Then this is y plus y square is equal to y square multiplied by y. Because from here, if square root of s is equal to y, therefore y square will be equal to what? X. Now, this is y plus y square is equal to y square multiplied by y raised to power 3. Then let's equate everything to 0. We have y raised to power 3 minus y square minus y is equal to 0. Then y, we can factor it out. Y bracket y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. Y is equal to 0 or y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then from the first case here, we already know that y is equal to 0. And from the second case, this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve using quadratic general formula. And quadratic general formula in this case is giving us y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Let's substitute. Y is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of b is minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 4 over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Therefore, y is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 or 1 minus root 5 over 2. But from this second case, y is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. This is less than 0. So this is rejected. The only real solution we have will be this. Then y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now, we know that y is equal to root of x. Let's substitute. Root of s is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then let's square both sides of this equation. Root of s all square is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 all square. This will cancel this. s is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 all square. Then s is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 multiplied by 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then s is equal to 1 plus 2 root 5 plus 5 over 4. Now s is equal to 2 root 5 plus 1, that is 6 over 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 3. Then s is equal to 1 over 2 root 5 plus 3 over 2. Therefore, s is equal to 1 over 2 bracket root 5 plus 3. And this is the final answer. If